To set up a new profile for your kid in the Kids app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Kids app, swipe the screen to the right, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap profile. Enter your current screen lock or you can use your biometric. Select the desired profile photo. Here you can use one of the preloaded profile icon. You can tap camera and then use the photo you took as profile photo, or you can also tap gallery and then use one of your photos as the profile photo. As the example, we will select the one from the preloaded icon. Next, type your kid's name and then enter the date of birth of your kid. Tap done button and then tap save to save your selection. As you can see, the new profile for your kid has been made. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.